In the heart of northwest Texas, a rare and terrifying storm wreaked havoc, combining multiple tornadoes, hurricane-force winds, and softball-sized hail. The town of Matador bore the brunt of this destructive force, resulting in the loss of at least 4 lives and causing significant damage. Senior forecaster Matt Zeebel from the National Weather Service in Lubbock described the unprecedented nature of the storm, emphasizing the rarity of encountering killer tornadoes, hurricane-force winds, and softball-sized hail simultaneously. The supercell responsible for the devastation formed near Amarillo around 8 p.m. on Wednesday before unleashing its fury upon Matador. The storm's ferocity was evident as it produced wind speeds of up to 109 miles per hour, 175 kilometers per hour, in Jeton, accompanied by hailstones measuring at least 4 inches, 10.2 centimeters, in diameter. Such a combination of extreme weather phenomena is exceedingly rare, as Zeebel acknowledged the unprecedented convergence of high wind shear and extreme atmospheric instability on that fateful Wednesday. Power outages plagued the region, leaving over 900 customers without electricity in the Matador and Jeton areas. The worst damage was observed in Matador, a small town of approximately 570 people situated 70 miles, 112 kilometers, northeast of Lubbock in Motley County. Although the Motley County Sheriff's Office was unavailable for immediate comment, Texas Department of Emergency Management District Coordinator Bill Durham assured the public that additional information would be released on Thursday morning. Reports shared by storm chasers and meteorologists on social media platforms showcased the extensive damage inflicted upon Matador. Homes were ravaged, utility lines were torn down, trees were uprooted, and the overall infrastructure was left in shambles. As the community grappled with the aftermath, their resilience and determination to rebuild would shine through, embodying the unwavering spirit of unity in the face of adversity. Despite the lingering potential for thunderstorms, the risk of severe weather with tornadoes was deemed low. Matador and its neighboring towns would remain vigilant, yet resolute, in their efforts to recover and rebuild. The recent tornado outbreak followed closely on the heels of another devastating tornado in Perryton, located in the northern Texas Panhandle, which claimed multiple lives and left over 100 injured. These successive tragedies served as stark reminders of the raw power of nature and the resilience required to overcome and rebuild shattered lives. As the sun set on that eventful day, Matador stood as a symbol of strength and determination. While the road to recovery would be arduous, the community remained united and resolute, ready to forge ahead and rebuild their lives and town from the ruins left in the wake of the catastrophic storm.